Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Don from Don Michaels, and today we're making a video all about making candles. So what I'm doing here is I'm adding one cotton wick per container. These are beautiful tin containers. All I'm doing is getting a little stickies, sticking them on the bottom of each container. Try to get them as center as possible. There we go. And then we go put the wick center devices on. And we gotta trim our wicks a little so they're not in the way while we pour our wax. And all we do is get our measurement. Today's measurement is 105 wax. Melt it down, get it to about 185 before adding color or fragrance. There we go. Make sure you stir it nice and well. You want to stir it for about 1 minute. There we go. Add our fragrance. Make sure you get the proper amount. Add it in while the wax is still about 180 to 190. Stir it nice and good, and there we go. Pour your containers. You don't want to pour too fast or too slow. Just nice and even. I do want to take this time to mention too that these are all natural cotton wicks, and I'm waiting for some all natural wood wicks to come in the mail, and I'll be making the same exact candles but with wood wicks. And the amazing thing about wood wicks is they have this beautiful crackle, just like you're sitting around a campfire, and they're just so amazing. And yep, so there we go, about done pouring. Okay, perfect. And now this is what they look like once they're fully cooled. It's about 8 hours later. And there we go. Beautiful tin containers. There's a cinnamon, baked apple pie, pumpkin spice, and vanilla cookies, or sugar cookies. And that's what they look like with their lids on. And then here we go, guys, final pictures. And I will be doing a giveaway, either one of these or one of my other amazing products. And these are all natural soy candles. And the tins are amazing because you can use them after the candle's done, and they also come in a beautiful gold gift box.